What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed, folks. I just got back to Katy, Texas. I spent the week up in Dallas, and wow, I learned a lot of things from up there. That was very interesting. One of the things I didn't know is that BC Group had such a high amount of support in the Dallas region, because I'm not up in Dallas that often. And what I did learn is that our patient simulators and our ESU analyzers are everywhere. Like almost every single hospital had those very heavily, and I had no idea that we had that kind of support in Dallas. And just even knowing that and being able to talk with people and answer their questions as they're actually using our test equipment, that was really cool. That was amazing. So I'm going to do another trip up to Dallas very soon, because you guys actually, by supporting our company that much, you deserve to have more representation in your area. I'm going to come back up there very soon, and I'm just going to do this as a, answer a question from somebody, and also to tell you guys about some upcoming stuff, So I got a question from a viewer, and they said, why haven't I done very many videos lately? And it's true. I have had not so many videos being produced. Obviously, I've been traveling a lot, you guys know that, and behind the scenes, I'm working on a whole bunch of larger things with much larger companies and charities. It takes a lot of work and a lot of background work in order to make this stuff really happen. And over the summer, in July, I lost one of my grandfathers, so I had to fly back to Michigan and, pay my final respects. And, that costs thousands of dollars to do that. And then, tomorrow, Friday, I've got to fly back to Michigan again because my other grandfather passed away. So, it's between my traveling for work and traveling to trade shows and meeting you guys and whatnot, I've also got my family stuff that I'm trying to deal with and whatnot. And, well, I just got a lot of plans and stuff, and just everything's like really kind of tying me up. So I want to do more videos. And the cool thing is in some of my talks with these companies, I'm getting boxes of equipment that are going to be shipped into me, and I'm going to do teardowns, and I'm going to do function videos that show you the correct way a device should work, maybe common failure modes. I'm going to talk about a lot of stuff. So we're going to go into some depths on some general medical equipment very soon. I want you guys to know that we have some upcoming events. I'm going to be partaking in those events. So I've got a trip coming up to Indianapolis. That's going to be a business trip. Again, some of these large companies, that I'm working with and whatnot. I'm really looking forward to that one. So besides Indianapolis, after that, in October, I think. Yeah, October. We've got the San Antonio HTMA. That's going to be a meetup out there. I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to be there, guys. I'm absolutely looking forward to that. Last event was so good. So that's going to be great. The big one coming up, guys. November. We got December too, but November, we got the MD Expo that's coming up here in Dallas. Come on out. If you're not from Texas, come down and see you some Texas. We're going to meet up out there. And the cool thing is, on the Monday of MD Expo, I hope you guys are there if you fly in Monday, because then you can go, and I'm going to be picking people up and taking them over. There's an open house at iMed Biomedical. They got free barbecue and free beer. It's going to be so good. A lot of money spent on this event. You guys can come in, see behind the scenes of how a lot of your equipment is repaired. We might even do some instructional classes on like vacuum pumps and stuff. We'll figure it out. It'll be awesome. But that's coming up November. So look forward to it. I'm going to include links for MD Expo in the video description so that you can sign up. And I'll also have a link so that you can register to go to the iMed open house. It's going to be really good. I got to look so I don't get hit by cars here. But yeah, guys, I'm going to try and create more videos for you guys. It's in the works. Just it's been a crazy summer. And because of this crazy summer, You know, I've been focusing a lot on my family and whatnot. But that's only because I've got much bigger plans for you. The bmetwork.com has been phenomenal. I've gotten many people jobs now, and that's looking really good. So thanks for supporting me there as well. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this. Look down in the video description for links to all the stuff that I talked about. It's gonna be phenomenal. And also in December, Florida Biomed Society, I'm gonna be out there. That's gonna be a real good one as well. So look forward to that as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos. It's gonna be good, real good.